standard deviation of the exponential distribution. Okay, now first is find variance. Now variance means V is equal to, this is a continuous probability distribution. Now variance is integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x into x minus mu whole square into f of x. Okay, this is mu with respect to x. Okay, now and this is equal to integration of x minus mu whole square, and f of x is alpha into e raised to minus alpha x with respect to x, but x is greater than 0, means this integration is limit is 0 to infinity. Okay, now constant take outside, alpha into integration of 0 to infinity x minus mu whole square e raised to minus alpha x dx. Okay, this is polynomial and this is exponential, product of two function using Bernoulli's rule. Applying Bernoulli's rule. Now you know the Bernoulli's rule, integration of v dt is equal to u integration of v dt minus u dash integration of v dt dt plus u double dash integration of v dt dt minus and so on, plus minus plus minus. Okay, now u means this one x minus mu whole square, and this is v part. Now variance v is equal to, alpha is a constant outside, now u is a x minus mu whole square into integrate this one e raised to minus alpha x by divided by constant means minus alpha. Okay, minus u dash, differentiate this one 2 into x minus mu. Okay, now again you integrate this part only, is a e raised to minus alpha x divided by one more minus alpha is a plus alpha square, plus differentiate this part, mu is a constant 0, 2x differentiate only 2, again integrate means this one integration of integration, again you integrate e raised to minus alpha x divided by one more minus alpha into this is alpha square means minus alpha cube with limit 0 to infinity. Okay, and this is alpha into so minus 1 by alpha take outside constant minus 1 by alpha and put x is equal to infinity, e raised to infinity is 0, first is 0 minus lower limit x is 0, e raised to 0 is 1, only u square mu square. Okay, this is mu square minus 2 by alpha square outside, 2 by alpha square, inside is x minus mu into e raised to minus alpha x, put x is equal to infinity, e raised to infinity is 0, 0 into this one is 0 minus. Okay, and put x is equal to 0 minus mu, e raised to 0 is 1, x is 0 minus mu, remaining minus mu, and next is minus 2 by alpha cube is outside, inside is e raised to infinity 0 minus e raised to x, e raised to 0 is a 1. Okay, and this is equal to alpha into, and this one is minus to minus is a mu square by alpha minus into minus 3 times, again it is a minus 2 mu by alpha square minus into minus plus 2 by alpha cube. Okay, but you know that mu of this mean of the exponential distribution, mu is equal to 1 by alpha, and variance is equal to alpha into mu is a 1 by alpha, mu square means 1 by alpha square, 1 by alpha square, and 1 by alpha is a 1 by alpha cube minus again 1 by alpha 2 by alpha cube plus 2 by alpha cube. Okay, now this is a plus minus get cancelled, 1 alpha and this is alpha square, and variance is equal to 1 by alpha square. Now requires standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of variance. Square root of variance is 1 by alpha square. Standard deviation is sigma. Okay. Now sigma is equal to, again we get 1 by alpha. Now this is a required standard deviation of the exponential distribution.